This is an experiment to find the water level of the overhead tank using Nodemcu ultrasonic sensor, and ultrasonic sensor model number is HCSR04 and Thingspeak. The circuit connection is shown in the figure. I have used D3 pin, D4 pin, VCC pin, ground pin, D5 pin, D6 pin and D7 pin of Nodemcu. D3 pin of Nodemcu is connected to anode of red LED and cathode is connected to ground. And D4 pin of Nodemcu is connected to anode pin of green LED and cathode is connected to ground. And HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor VCC is connected to VCC pin of Nodemcu, and trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to D6 pin of Nodemcu, and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to D7 pin of Nodemcu, and ground pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to ground pin of Nodemcu, and buzzer positive is connected to D5 pin of Nodemcu, and buzzer negative is connected to ground pin. So buzzer negative and HCSR04 ground and cathode of green LED and cathode of red LED all are connected to ground pin. This is the connection diagram for this experiment. And how to do this experiment and what is the program and how to create the channel, all these things I'll show you now. This is a program to indicate the water level in the tank. So I have taken only two conditions. One is the tank empty condition and the tank is full. Two conditions I have taken. To do this experiment, I am using Thingspeak cloud platform and Nodemcu. Nodemcu because the Wi-Fi inbuilt model is there to connect this to the Thingspeak IoT cloud platform. For that purpose, I have used Nodemcu. So to include this Wi-Fi module and the library file of Nodemcu, so we should include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h library file. And this is a API key of the Thingspeak my channel. And this I'll show you how to copy the API key from the Thingspeak channel. That I'll show you in few minutes. And these two are my credentials, my mobile hotspot service set identifier, that is my name, and my password. So I have to give these two credentials in order to connect my Nodemcu to my mobile hotspot. And this is a channel number. This I'll show you how to copy the channel number in my program. So this is the Thingspeak server that we should define using api.thingspeak.com. So the complete detailed program I have already explained in the previous video. Today I'll just show you how to do the connection of our ultrasonic sensor with the Nodemcu, and to indicate the tank is full, I am using the red LED and one buzzer. And so when it shows tank is full, red LED close, and the buzzer gives the sound. And when tank is empty, and for this indication I have used green light to show the empty condition, and for that there is no buzzer. So these are my conditions. Ultrasonic sensor has two important pins, one trigger pin and echo pin. Trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor is defined with for a D6 pin of Nodemcu, and D7 pin of Nodemcu is defined to echo pin. Initially, we should do these assignments, and I have used two variables, duration and distance, to calculate the distance level of the distance between the water in the tank and the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so the remaining entire program I have already explained, and here I'll explain two more extra sentences what I have used. If distance is less than 10, if the distance between the water and the ultrasonic sensor, water level and that ultrasonic sensor, if the distance is less than 10, then a red LED, it indicates the tank is full, and red LED glows. Red LED is connected to D3 pin. So when I send high to D3 pin, red LED becomes on, and buzzer I have connected to D5 pin, buzzer becomes high. So red LED and buzzer both becomes on, and after 1.5 seconds, 1500 milliseconds, buzzer off, and again it turns on because it is in a loop, on for on, and after 1.5 seconds it becomes off, again it becomes on, but the green LED is in off condition because completely I have made D4 is equal to low. And if the distance is greater than 10 centimeter, I am indicating that the tank is empty. Less than 10 centimeter, I am indicating that the tank is full. So if it is greater than 10, then green LED goes high because green LED is connected to D4 pin, and red LED becomes off, and buzzer also becomes off. So these things you should take care of, take care very correctly. You should do it. Then only red LED and green LED, according to our assumption, they will become on and off. So now I'll show you how to create a channel in a Thingspeak. So for that, you should go to Chrome, and you have to go to your Thingspeak account. So already I am in Thingspeak account. So I'll show you how to create my new channel. So I'll go to channel. I'll go click on new channel. So here I'll give the name as water level monitoring, and description. You can give description. If tank is full, like that, you can give the description. If tank is full, so if tank is full, red LED is on and buzzer is on. And if tank is empty, green LED is on and no buzzers on. So you can give any description how you have assumed, either red LED or green LED, anything. So here I am using only one variable, that is distance. So I'll give the variable as distance. After that, I'll save my channel. So save the channel. So the channel is saved. Now I want to add two visits. Click on add visits. Click on lamp indicator. Click on next. So here you give for tank full. What you will give for tank full, which LED you are using? According to my program, you are using red LED. Red LED to indicate the tank is full. So what condition you have taken? If the distance is less than 10 centimeter, if the distance is 10 centimeter, then turn on the lamp, and it should be in which color? Red color. So you choose the red color and create. So you create one more visit. So one visit is created here, and you create one more visit, add one more visit, lamp indicator, Next, so here you write tank empty. And what is the condition for tank empty? If it is greater than how many centimeters? 10 centimeters. If it is greater than 10 centimeters, and lamp should be on. Which lamp? Green color lamp. So create. So 2 visits are available now. So now they are empty. They are not glowing anything, showing any color. So after doing the experiment, I'll show you the water level monitoring, the distance, how much, at what time and on which day, and what is the distance level in the tank. It is indicated in this chart. And after doing the experiment, I'll show you. And if the tank is full, this becomes red. And if the tank is empty, this becomes green. So I'll keep green visit here and red visit here, this side. So you can change the position also. Okay. So here the tank is empty, and here the tank is full. So all these conditions I'll show you after doing the experiment. Then how to copy the channel ID. So you copy this channel ID and go back to your program. So here is your program, and here there is a channel. Channel is equal to, here you have to paste that channel ID. And what is this API key? How we will get? So again, go to the Thingspeak channel and click on API key. So here you will get right API key. You copy this API key, go back to your program, and here there is a place where you should paste your API key. So here, before doing this experiment, I was doing some, I was in some other channel. So my channel API key is different. Now I copied, and you have to paste this copied API key in this place. So only two things you should change whenever you create a new channel. So if you are using the same previous channel, no need to change the API key and channel ID, it will be same. So 4 things you should keep in mind. API key, you should copy it from your account channel, and channel number you should copy, and don't forget these 2 things. And credentials you should write neatly, SSID and a password. And remember, trigger pin, to which pin you are connecting your ultrasonic sensor trigger pin to the Nodemcu, that pin you should write here. Here I have used D6 and D7. If you are using D3 and D0, D1 and D2, so here you should change the pin numbers. So these 2 also you should take care of. And next you should take care of the connection with the red LED and green LED. So for red LED, I have used here D3. You can use any digital pin. So which pin, to which pin you are connecting the anode of the red LED, that pin you declare here. And buzzer pin and green LED pin. So the pins you should write it here. Okay, and before that you should make all the pins as a output pin and a input pin. See, D3 I have connected red LED, I am making it as output pin, and D4 I have connected green LED, I am making it as output pin, and buzzer I have connected to D5 pin and making it as output pin. So now I'll do the experiment, and I'll show you how to do the connection and all. So after that, I'll show you if the tank is empty, whether the red LED is becoming, green LED is becoming on or not. And if the tank is full, red LED is becoming on or not. And at the same time, whether it is displayed in serial monitor or not. In serial monitor also, we will see the distance value in terms of centimeter. And also in a Thingspeak account also, we can see the visit indication, and also the distance in the form of a chart. Today's experiment I have done to find out whether the overhead tank is full or it is empty. So this bottle I am representing as a overhead tank. So here I have kept 1 glass of water. Tank is empty. So after checking the empty condition, I'll pour this water into the bottle. This is my overhead tank, and I'll check whether the tank is full or not. So to do this experiment, I am using ultrasonic sensor and Nodemcu, and when the tank becomes full, it gives a sound buzz. For that I am using one buzzer, and when tank is full, it is indicated by a red LED. It indicates the tank is full, and when tank is empty, it is indicated by a green LED. So only these many components I have used. The red LED anode of LED is connected to D3 pin of Nodemcu, and green LED, anode of green LED is connected to D4 pin of Nodemcu, and buzzer positive is connected to D5 pin of Nodemcu, and all ground, the red LED ground, green LED ground, and buzzer LED ground, it is connected to one point, and from this it is given to the ground pin of Nodemcu. And this is an ultrasonic sensor. It has got 4 pins. VCC pin is connected to VCC pin of Nodemcu, and ground pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to I have connected here, and in turn it is connected to ground pin of Nodemcu, and trigger pin is connected to trigger pin of Nodemcu is connected. So ultrasonic sensor is connected to D6 pin of Nodemcu, and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to D7 pin of Nodemcu. So this is the connection. So now after doing the connection, I have already uploaded the program, and I have already explained the program, and I have already created a channel in a Thingspeak cloud platform. Now I'll execute the program, and I'll check whether the tank condition is full or empty. Now this is my ultrasonic sensor. I'll keep this ultrasonic sensor over the tank. In this way we will fix the tank. Now the tank is empty. Okay. So for to indicate that, I have used green LED. Now it is showing the tank is empty. Now I will pour the water into the tank. I will check whether the tank becomes full or not. Now I am pouring the water. Now tank is full. See, the red light is glowing, and it is giving the buzzer sound. You can hear the buzzer sound. So the buzzer is on and red LED is glowing. It indicates the tank is full. Now I have taken out the ultrasonic sensor. So it indicates the tank is empty. So when tank is empty, the green light is glowing and there is no buzzer sound. When tank is empty, in a serial monitor also it is showing the distance to 234 centimeter. And when I keep my ultrasonic sensor over the tank, and here the red light is on, indicates the tank is full, and you can check the distance now. So the distance is showing 2 centimeter. So this is the distance between the water level and the ultrasonic sensor. See, the water is very near to the ultrasonic sensor, so it is giving the distance less, and red LED is on, and here it is showing 2 centimeter. When to make this empty, I am not removing the water, I am taking out the ultrasonic sensor. So when I keep my ultrasonic sensor outside, here green light is on, and I'll show you the distance now, present distance. So a few minutes back it was 2 centimeter. Now it is showing 218 centimeter. So the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the water level of the tank, It is indicated in terms of centimeter in serial monitor, and in here also with the LED buzzer we can see this, and also we can see it in the Thingspeak. Here I have used the indication using two widgets. So one is to indicate tank is empty, another one to indicate the tank is full. So in few minutes back I kept my ultrasonic sensor on the tank. So it was showing the indication tank was full with the help of the LED and a buzzer, and in visit also red symbol I have used to indicate that to indicate the tank is full. When I remove my ultrasonic sensor from the tank, so the green LEDs should glow, and here the visit I am using the green LED, green visit here, so it is showing green. See, it is showing green. Earlier it was red, now it is showing green. In this way, and at the same time you can see the visualization of the distance in chart. So for every 15 seconds the distance is updated. Today is 12th August, at 5:56 the distance it was showing 225, and 5:58 225, and here at 6:27 the distance is showing 232. So here you can check the distance, date and time and day, everything we can see it in the chart. So in Thingspeak, both chart and with the help of visit, so everything we can see it in the Thingspeak cloud platform. So this data is available any day. So tomorrow also you can check the data. So on any day you can check the data. Here it is showing distance is 2 centimeter, which is nothing but tank is full, and here it is indicated by red light. Here it is showing the distance is 229 centimeter. It means that the tank is empty, and it is represented by green light.